Finding tasty and affordable low carb atta was a serious challenge until I found Low.
I had never imagined I would be able to make tasty, authentic parathas, fluffy Phulkas, or even luscious Pooris using a low carb atta. This is really tasty.
We have created a low carb atta which is very similar to the normal roti atta in the appearance, in the texture, and the color. With Low, we decided to be detailed research and find the key to taste of normal atta. We went deep into ingredient testing and have found a formula which delivers the best taste while being the lowest in carb content.
The kind of baking result, the kind of texture, the kind of color, the kind of result that it gives. We've tried brownies, we've tried baking, we've tried cheesecakes. You name the product, the kind of result, the kind of texture, really nice. Our customers are loving it. The kind of taste, unmatched.
It saves me hassle of making different things for everyone at home. This is just amazing.
I've been looking for this flour that is low carb and packed with the ketogenic properties of nuts and all these things.
Luckily for the Phulkas made with low carb atta, with each Phulka being just less than 5 grams of carb a piece, it's pretty simple math. I highly recommend this product to anyone doing the keto diet.
It is a part of the shopping list in our house now, and it's amazing.
The major problem Indians faces when they follow a low carb diet is they have to give up on their favorite foods.
You've seen atta, we've got snacks, and there are many more products that are coming in. The idea being that anytime you want to have something which is very Indian in nature, there is always a low carb option that's always available for you. I really hope more and more people can now adopt a low carb lifestyle and have a much healthier life.